So now you got to transfer the pattern or you want to cut it?
I'm gonna pin the pattern
Okay,
onto the
pin the
fabric
pattern
first.
onto the fabric.
And then as I'm pinning, I'll add the seam allowance later. Alright, see all the four corners.
So you're gonna add seam allowance, meaning that this is actually where you're going to have the allowance.
Right, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'll add the seam allowance.
So now you're gonna add the allowance. See how that? Put a ruler here.
Yeah.
Draw a following.
Add 1 cm seam allowance.
1 cm.
Yeah.
So those who need to measure, they measure. Those who are experienced, they will just use 1 cm to do it.
Yeah. Okay. Add the seam allowance.
So the curved part is the thing also, right? You can do the curved part.
Add the seam allowance.
Okay, so it's just nice only. I cut
just nice. Falling.
Yes.
So this is the front part.
I see. So notice this will be the folding line, so that you don't have any seam allowance there. Like you
this is
open
a
up.
fold line.
Okay.
It's a center front, no fold line.
I see. Okay,
It's gonna be a fold line here.
All right. Good.
Right.
Okay. Now you add seam allowance to the back part.
Yes.
Okay. Same 1 cm all round. Notice that Melvin purposely doesn't want to use a selvage. As you see that, although he's reaching the edge of the fabric, he still encouraged that to cut off as a raw edge. Of course, you can you need to do overlock if you want to, but then it will give you a better finishing, more comfortable.
It's more
because of the
comfortable.
flow of the fabric.
Yes. It's very stiff.
Yeah.
We use the raw. I mean, we use the selvage, it should be very stiff.
Yeah, according to his words, the selvage will be very stiff.
Yeah.
So it's one kind. You will see a lot of people who want to use the selvage to just do away with that aging.
Without overlocking.
Yeah.
But normally we try not to use the selvage because the selvage is very stiff.
Yeah, try not to use the selvage because it's going to be stiffer relative to the rest of the fabric.
And we overlock it rather.
Yeah, you will prefer an overlocking to maintain the flow of the fabric.
That's right.
Okay, then now we do the start cutting. Now with the allowance, you don't have to actually do another line. So I mean, they will take for granted that the sewer must know that it's going to be 1 cm around.
Yes, it's 1 cm all around.
Okay, let's
so
go. So you cut on the
1 cm.
Don't cut on the pattern side.
Yeah, don't cut on the pattern side. Yes.
Okay, when you cut on the pattern, then you
got no seam allowance already.
Okay.
So we follow that 1 cm.
So down here you actually cut a small and go in.
Yes.
Realize these are all the tricks that you guys can pick up. I mean, for me, I will just start from the beginning and then cut all the way to the end. And then, you're distorting the fabric in between.
Yes, you can.
Okay, here we go again. Cutting the fabric.
1 cm.
Okay, here you are. Now finishing the last part of it.
Okay, here we go. This is the front part.
Yeah, this is the front part. Yeah. Okay, good. Now, Melvin going to demonstrate using a rotary cutter in this instead of a scissors.
Yes.
Now realize that he's using his ruler here as a guide and he's pushing on the what do you call that line that he's drawn. Okay, now this is the application of a rotary cutter. Well, you are using rotary cutter, you'll see that the fabric won't distort because no matter how, when you use the scissors, the fabric still tends to be lifted up on top. In this case, you can see it's going to be very flat. Now, I think the cutting of this curve will be the unique practice, right?
Yeah, unique practice using.
So you need to switch hand.
Switch hand sometimes.
Then you're going to learn left and right handed.
Left and right handed. So sometimes you got to be flexible.
Very flexible. Oh, that's good. Human being is only there to be very challenging that we become better. We are too comfortable. You end up back for life. Okay, so now you are, see, this is where you're using a rotary cutter.
It doesn't move.
It's quite nice, very nice in fact.
Yes. Sometimes like this direction is better to use your left hand.
Okay, I see. So now you become a left-hander.
Yes. not everybody agrees with this because they need practice.
Okay, so there you go. Oh, that's nice. And the last part of it.
Last part. This side. This part. This.
Okay, so here we go. We're gonna start our sewing, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll start sewing 1 cm
Okay.
along the center back.
Okay.
Right? The correct side facing correct side.
Okay. Oh, so right to right lah. Correct side to correct side. Okay.
Right side.
Right side to right side.
Correct side.
Okay. Got you.
So 1 cm here first.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll start off with the back stitch. Okay, there we go.
So 1 cm.
Oh, the 1 cm seam line at the front. So you're using that line on the side a little bit there to guide you for 1 cm.
Yeah, the 1 cm here.
Oh, that line here is actually 1 cm.
Yeah, this line here, this is 1 cm.
Okay, yeah, that's a 1 cm line.
That's a 1 cm line.
Down here we do another back
And we'll do a back stitch as you
Back
push
stitch,
this. Alright.